Hello and welcome to our latest video in the Wentworth Woodhouse Questions and Myths series. Today we're investigating a bit of a myth with the question, was Wentworth Woodhouse built with money from the family's coal mining activities?
This is one of the most regular questions that visitors ask, and often it's not presented as an actual question, but a statement of a very strongly held belief that coal mining provided the money used to build Wentworth Woodhouse. In fact, it was revenues from agriculture, forestry and rents that provided the family with the financial resources needed to create Wentworth Woodhouse. The main fabric of the exterior was completed in about 1760, long before large-scale mining operations began on the estate, and it wasn't until the 19th century that coal mining activities began to provide significant revenues. But it is fair to say that money from coal mining provided much of the wealth that the family enjoyed throughout the 19th and into the 20th centuries. So coal mining revenues would have helped pay for the expansion, upkeep, decoration and the furnishing of Wentworth Woodhouse. But the majority of the actual building work would have been completed before these revenues became significant.
So that's cleared up a very widely held belief. We hope you've enjoyed our video, and if you have, please subscribe to our channel. We release new content almost every week, so make sure you don't miss a thing.